Yo, what's up everybody? So today we're at 240 billion market cap, not bad. BTC back down to 8,600. We'll see how much lower it goes. Cardano's number 11 spot, about 4.5 cents. Dash at 110 bucks, number 16. Video I made a while back. A few weeks ago, Dash was at 25th or 26th spot, so I moved up quite a bit. Let me know what coins you are all into, or what coins you think are going to perform well. I'm curious. Give a like and subscribe to my little channel. Anyway, there's some movements up and down. We got green and red if we look over here, so interesting. But today, I want to talk about Bitcoin halving. I want to thank Master Crypto for this good explanation. And I want to look at this chart in particular, which looks like it came from Brave New Coin. Nice overview of the Bitcoin halving. Let's jump over here and take a look. We got 111 days left until Bitcoin halves. So it puts us around May 12th, according to this, of this year. There are 21 million BTCs in total. So it's a finite supply, which means once it reaches 21 million, there will be no more new Bitcoin created. Okay, we're somewhere around 18 million. If we look here, 18,173,438 BTCs in circulation. So that's around 85% or so, 86%, excuse me. Every 4 years, Bitcoin, the amount that can be created gets cut in half and increases the difficulty of mining. Here in this chart, we take a look from the beginning. I wanted to just look at the percentage increases per halving event and bull and bear market cycle. Now, if we look at this from the beginning here, we see everyone first getting involved. Lasted 243 days, and then went into a bear and expansion to the first halving, which happened November 28th, 2012. Price of BTC at that time was $12.22. Right after that halving, we went into a bull market. So increased jubilance, new people getting in, increased awareness in the public, and so on. Mainstream awareness. So it goes into this bear market, which lasted 368 days, and it reached a price of $1,178, which is completely insane. That was a 9,200% increase from the time it had. For those of you that got in there and kept it, congratulations. Then we go into a bear market here for 408 days, drops back down 86% to 163 bucks. So now we're at $163, which, remember, of course, is still quite high as opposed to the $12 it was at. You know, even if you want to just look at that line. Okay, that's pretty solid upward movement. Then we're in the accumulation phase, which is exactly what you think it is. It's when people are accumulating Bitcoins, and organizations, because there are many variables to this market and probably quite a bit of manipulation, as was everything in our civilization, by those that have power and resources and finances to do so. Then we continue to the next halving, which was July 9th, 2016. Now, this was a huge one as far as increased awareness of Bitcoin, because I've been involved since 2013. So I've seen quite a bit change with the way crypto is presented in the mainstream media, and also the way the non-mainstream crypto-centric media and YouTube channels cover it now. So it's interesting. I mean, I remember the days of the IRC. But anyway, I talked about that in another video, a few videos back. You can check out my older videos. So here, after this halving, we jump up to $20,000 per Bitcoin, which is a huge number, but a much lower percentage increase from the previous halving, because we had a 9,200% increase from this halving to this point, then a 2,900 or 2,938% increase from this halving to the peak of this bull market. The percentage gain has been decreasing, okay? We go into the next bear market, which many of us have been hanging out in for this whole time, all right? And we reach this point here. This chart's a little bit, a few days or a few weeks or whatever older, so it's not quite accurate. You'll see here it says 5,800 bucks, but we're actually at 8,600 bucks now, right? And we hit about 9 grand a few days ago. So here we are right now. We're about to reach this next halving. Based on this history, we would speculate that the next increase, bull market rather, is going to be less percentage than this one. Also, it will last longer, because each of these bull markets have been lasting longer. And the bear markets have been different as well. Although I was going to say they're getting shorter, but they're not really. The past two, yes, but not the the first one. But look at this. We have 243-day bull market here. We have a 368-day bull market here, and then a 525-day bull market here. So significant difference, you know. It's probably safe to assume that the next bull market will last, you know, well into 2021, right? So I'm curious what your thoughts are, what you all think about how this will play out. And I hope that this helped explain a little bit. I'll probably do another video on this. This is just a fascinating subject to me, so it's interesting. Anyway, until next time, have a good one.